Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enter the SIM card, the memory card into your Nokia 8110. Firstly, open the back cover, release the battery, and here you have a place for your SIM card. This is the middle size of the SIM card. You just need to insert it here. And here are the place for the nano SIM card. As you see, it's not memory card. So to place the nano SIM here is to take the smallest one and just put it in here like this. The memory card is gonna be placed right here. Yep, as you see. And now just put the battery in, take the cover and just power on your device. And that's it. You have inserted your SIM card, and both if you have, and the memory card. And that's all. If you want more video, just like it, subscribe and comment, and see you by next video. Hey!